Overthinking begins as a whisper telling you to look closer at everything. A single thought becomes a maze with no clear exit. Your mind replays moments as if they are unfinished stories. Every decision feels heavier than it should. Fear disguises itself as caution. Silence becomes the loudest enemy. Thoughts multiply when no one interrupts them. Doubt dresses itself as intelligence. Your mind searches for danger even in calm places. Overthinking feels like protection, but becomes a prison. Memories echo louder than reality. You question things that never needed answers. Even happiness becomes suspicious. You prepare for pain that never comes. Your thoughts become louder than your heartbeat. You forget how to be present. Control replaces trust. Exhaustion hides behind endless thinking. Your mind confuses safety with suffering. You become your own observer. The world slows while your thoughts race. You replay conversations in endless loops. Overthinking pretends to be wisdom, but it drains the joy from simple moments. You wait for certainty that never arrives. Your mind keeps you busy to avoid feeling. Stillness feels dangerous. Peace becomes unfamiliar. You realize thinking has replaced living. Freedom begins when you stop chasing every thought.